Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super here for video 20 week having a Ford C-Max generation from year 2012 to year 2019. And if you need to remove or replace front ABS wheel speed sensor, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located, what needs to be done. It's pretty simple procedure, by the way. So make sure to stay until the end and we'll cover something else if you have ABS traction control light or what else can cause that. So make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 2 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Another thing, if you want to save quite a bit of money on car parts, tools, anything for your car, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So now let's go ahead and explain, guys. Okay, we have the wheel removed here. So as you can see, the tire is removed. That's what it looks like. That's the suspension right here. And if you pay attention, guys, okay, that's your brakes, that's your disc roller right here. Oh, that thing is almost about to come off on the brake bleeder. And if you come right here on the strut, on the shock, that right here, guys, it's your ABS wheel speed sensor. This thing is super easy to remove, guys, okay, and replace. All we have to do at that point, okay, grab that wire and push it in first, because, okay, if you try to yank it out, it may not come out. Then deep press here, okay, and unfortunately, okay, it's a little bit stuck because it has a little bit of scent. Don't try to yank it until you feel that that tooth released, okay, when you press the button here, okay, the notch, okay, check it out. Now, all we have to do at that point, get a Torx, and if you need to buy Torx for a cheap price, I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Remove that screw, that bolt, and pull it out. Right here, guys, that sensor, okay, may have a lot of corrosion on the inside, dirt and dust sometimes as well. Because sometimes the seal will fail, or people will not install a seal if it was worked on. So make sure that it's clean. Sometimes dirty sensor can trigger the light. Another thing, make sure that the wire is not broken anywhere. Sometimes it can come loose and it can hit the tire, rub, and that can cause the light as well. Also, if you still have ABS traction control light after that, we have a special video that explains the top reasons why ABS and traction control light will be on Ford C-Max, so please check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.